I got 2 orders that have a donut keycap, so I need to print out some more, and I decided to just print out a tray of 25 so I have some extra stock. I really like how these turned out, so I was like, wait, I should make another colored donut. So I was thinking maybe red frosting and white sprinkles. And I really like how these turned out. So now I'm going to take these off the build plate and throw one of them on the keyboard. These are designed for mechanical keyboards that are using MX style switches. You can just pop it on and you're good to go. If you want to print your own, the files are available on my Patreon. Let me know in the comments which keycap I should design next.